Hello my dear students, today we will see directory in Python. So basically a directory is nothing but a folder which contains files and subfolders in it. So with the help of this OS module, we can access that directories, we can create new directories, we can rename directories, or we can remove directories through our Python code. So to perform these operations, we have to first import this os.module in our program code so that we can able to use the methods that the module contains. So let us see the methods to perform operations on the directory or to perform operations on the folder. First method is mkdir. So this method, it will creates a new directory in the current directory. The syntax is we have to write down the os dot mkdir and then the name of the directory in the double quote. So it will create that directory in the current directory. Next, getCwd method will display the current working directory. Next is change directory, that is chdir. It is used to change the current directory. So we have to specify the directory name here. Next, rmdir, that is remove directory. So this rmdir, it will remove the directory from the current directory, and then the list dir. This list dir, it displays the contents of directory, means it will print the number of files and the directories present in the current directory. Next is renaming or deleting a file. So to rename a particular file, we have to use this syntax, that is os.rename in bracket old file name and the new file name. Now our file will have this new file name. Next is remove method. So the remove method is used to delete the empty directories or empty folder. And if you wanted to delete, the syntax of the remove method is os.remove and we have to mention the file name. If the file name is empty, then it will be deleted from the memory. Next, there is a rmtree method to delete the non-empty directory, means the directory or the folder which contains a data or the files in it. So we have to import this shutile module first, and then we have to use this rmtree method to delete the or to remove the non-empty directory. Now I am going to run these methods through the command prompt. So just type the Python and then import the package, that is OS package, to perform operations on the directory. Import OS. Now if you wanted to make a directory, then the syntax is os.mkdir to make a directory in the current directory and mention here the directory name. Suppose directory, here I am going to create a directory, that is directory 1. Then rounded bracket complete and then press enter key. So now this directory 1 is created in the current directory. So if we wanted to know the current directory name, so directly we can get it from os dot get cwd method is there. Get cwd. So our current directory is users chocos. So in that folder, the directory 1 is present now, or this folder is present in the users chocos folder. Now, if you wanted to change the directory, here again I am going to create one directory, a new directory, that is my directory 2, and os.mkdir. So again it has created the second directory. So we will check the list of directories. So to check this list, so to list the directory, there is a list dir method. So here I have written here os.list_dir. So it has shown the all the files and folders present in the folder Chakor. So recently we have created this directory 1 folder and directory 2 folder. So here are these two folders created under the current directory, that is directory 1, directory 2. Now if you wanted to change the directory, then there is a chr method, that is chr os.ch change directory. It will change the directory. Suppose I wanted to access this dir1 folder, so directly I am going to write it here dir1, and now check whether the current directory is directory 1 or directory or the previous directory. So see here, now the current folder is directory 1. Previously we have used the getCwd method, so that by that method we have got this folder or the current folder. Now the current folder is dir by using this change directory method. Now here I am going to show you how to use the remove method. Suppose here file1.txt present, and now I wanted to delete that file. So if I am going to use this remove method, here os.remove in bracket file1.txt, it has shown error because the file1 contains the data. The remove method only deletes the non-empty files or folders. So suppose we have created recently directory 2 folder. Now check whether that folder is deleted or not with the help of this remove method dir2. Actually that both the files not in the folder directory 1. So first we have to change the folder. Now here I am going to use the remove method to delete the file. So we can use either remove method or rmt method. So here I am going to delete this file1.txt file with the help of this remove method. System cannot find the file specified. Okay, that file is not present. So here suppose I'm going to delete this a.py file that is present in the current folder. So that folder is deleted from the current directory, or we can also use Shetile package or Shetile module to delete the non-empty directory. So first we have to import the Shetile module, and then we have to use Shetile.rmtree Shetile.rmtree in bracket mention the folder name. Suppose here I am mentioning directory 1, So that directory 1 also deleted from the directory or the current directory. And just here I am printing the list of directories now. Now these both the files will be absent in the list of directory because we have removed from the current folder. So here a.py is absent and also directory 1 folder is also absent. Now how to remove a file, suppose, or a folder, sorry, rename a folder or a file. So suppose I wanted to rename this that dir2 folder by my folder. So here the syntax is os dot rename method is there, rename in bracket mention the old file name, so directory 2. I wanted to change this directory to name by my directory to name. So this dir2 name is deleted and the new name is my dir2 name will be given to this folder. So we will check by listing out the directories. So here that folder is present. So here my dir2 folder is present now. So we have also changed the name of the folder by with the help of the rename method. So this way you can execute your program, or you can type these programs or this type of programs in Notepad and open or and run through using the command prompt.